Hey everyone. So I talked about the MobileMind app yesterday in my email. So I just wanted to run through how you can use the app. In my opinion, it's so much quicker and so much easier. Plus, you can use it during the day, during the required days to see where you need to be. It'll also allow you in some of the sessions to scan and be able to check in automatically. So I'm going to go and open up MobileMind. And it's probably going to log me right in, but for you, you'll have to put in your Google information. So make sure you sign in with Google. So from here, you can see all the base of where you're going to be, but you need to go down to the bottom and go to events. And then if you'll notice, August 5th is lit up. Go ahead and go to August 5th, and then you'll see the required days. Click on the required days. So here's the overview for the PD for the required days. You can see all the sites that the required days are being held on. And if I go over here to my schedule, I haven't RSVP'd yet, but you'll be able to see your schedule, all the sessions you're signed up for. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at all sessions. All sessions are all the sessions you are eligible for. So if you are a 5th grade teacher and you come to this page, you won't see 3rd grade or you won't see middle school. You'll only see what you're eligible for. So I'm going to start here with registering for my class. I'm going to go to my choice session, and that's at Barrel Springs. Let's see here. Who's teaching this class? I think I know this guy. He's a great teacher. Just kidding. I know it's me. But I'm going to go ahead and register for my class. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that top right-hand button, and I'm going to hit that green accept button, and now I'm attending. And when I come back into my schedule, there it is. I can see that I'm registered for it. I'm going to add in the instructional practices, math instructional practices by Michelle Douglas. And now I'm registered for that. Now when I come back a page and I go to my schedule, there they are. So it's a little bit easier to actually use the app. I love the app way more than I like the website. The website's convenient, but the app is much quicker, and it gives you exactly what you need to be able to see. If you have any questions, reach out. But take a look at the app, and it's on all the district teacher iPads.